Welcome to another video where we are going to learn how you can buy cryptocurrencies for beginners. So I hope you are excited. My name is Pedro and I'm one of the experts in the online school Moneyfest, and today I am going to show you step by step how you can buy cryptocurrencies as a beginner, as someone who doesn't have prior experience. Now, as always, I recommend you to watch until the end so you get all the information. Like and subscribe to us for more. With all of that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are on Binance, and this is the exchange that we are going to use to, well, start buying our first coins. Now, we already made a video on how to register on Binance, on which exchange you should use. I will let them link over here. Now, once we get in Binance and we are registered, we're gonna start buying our first crypto. Now, how are we gonna do that? Well, first, we will have to deposit money in our account. For that, we will have to go where it says deposit. We will have to select fiat currency, whatever we use. It can be rands, it can be euro, it can be dollar, whatever it is. And then we will choose the method that we like the most. If you click in deposit, it's all straightforward. It will show you the different methods and you can choose. For example, if I click on deposit, I am going to choose euro because it's my currency. So I click on euro. And after I click on euro, it will say deposit euro. Now, after I click here, it's gonna take me to the page where I can choose if I want to deposit with a bank transfer, with bank app, with card. There's different options depending on the country. Now, in the case of South Africa, there's a lot of linking with the application of the bank, which works pretty good, but you can use a lot of them, okay? It would be something like this, pay by bank app. Now, you will select whatever you want and you will deposit some euro or some rand or some dollars. Now, once you have that deposit, now we can go into trade and into spot. And here is where we are going to buy our cryptocurrency. So obviously we need some small funds to work with. And then once we have these funds, we can start buying. Now here on the top left part, we are going to choose how to buy, well, the cryptocurrency that we want to buy. And we are going to choose our currency that we are using. For example, if I want to buy Bitcoin with euro, I will have to put Bitcoin euro. And you will see that appears here the pair Bitcoin euro. This pair is going to allow me to buy Bitcoin with euros. However, if instead of Bitcoin euro, I want to buy with rands, I will put Bitcoin rand, okay, Bitcoin Zeta AR, and it will allow me to buy with rands, okay? Now, after this, we will see the price of Bitcoin or the coin that we are choosing to buy, and then we will see some small statistics. On the middle part, we will see the actual evolution of the price, the graph. We can put it on 15 minutes, we can put it on daily to see the evolution of the price of Bitcoin in rands, for example. We can see it over here. And well, on the right side is where we are going to buy our crypto. Now, once again, we can choose Bitcoin or we could choose Ethereum, for example, or we could choose BNB, okay? This depends on the coin that you want to buy. For this example, we will use Bitcoin. Now, if we want to buy Bitcoin with rands, to get a better example, we'll go to the right part and we have two main ways of buying. The first way would be the limit order. Now, this limit order is going to allow us to buy Bitcoin at a specific price. For example, I want to buy Bitcoin when the price goes down to 1 million rands per Bitcoin. I think that right now the price is too high and I want to buy there. Now, this has to be a price that is under the current price, obviously. So if we choose this price, now we can select how much we want to buy. For example, maybe we want to buy, let's say 200 rands. After this, we can click on buy BTC. And as you can see, it created a limit order. Now, if Bitcoin goes down and it touches this limit, we will buy the Bitcoin at this price. However, if Bitcoin goes up now and it never comes back to this level, we will not buy Bitcoin. These orders are very convenient, so we don't have to be in front of the screen telling it when to buy exactly. But obviously, if you don't want to buy at a specific price, you don't need to use them. Now, to cancel these orders, you can see them on the bottom part of the screen. You can click on cancel all, click on all, and you will cancel this order. However, if we want to buy Bitcoin right now, for example, what we'll do is we'll go into market. The market order will allow us to buy the cryptocurrency right now, and we will be the owners. So for example, if we click on market and we select buying, let's say 200 rands, we will click on buy Bitcoin, and I just bought 200 rands worth of Bitcoin. If I go to where it says trade history, I can see here that I just bought some Bitcoin in the Bitcoin rand pair, and that it gave me 0.00015 Bitcoin, okay? Now, if I would like to sell it, instead of buy, I'm gonna select sell, and I can do a limit sell. I can put, hey, I want 200 rands worth of Bitcoin, which is what I bought right now, but I want to sell them when the price is 1.5 million, for example. in this case, I click here on sell, and I will have a limit order, okay, to learn when to sell at a specific price. If I would like to sell right now, I will go into the market order, and I can use a slider. I can put 100% of what I want to sell. In my case, I don't want to sell that because, well, I have more Bitcoin. As you can see, I have like 31,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I don't want that much. I just want to sell zero. I'll select here, instead of Rand, I'll select Bitcoin. And I will put 0. How much it was? 0.015 Bitcoin. Now I'll click on sell. And as you can see, the order just went through and I got back 193 rands, which is actually what it charged me on the beginning. So basically I got the same. Now, the commissions are very, very, very low, but you can see them always here on the fee level. If we click on fee level, we can see the commissions that we are paying. You can see they are very low in any of the cases, and it's very easy to use. Now, this is how we can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Now, if you are new to cryptocurrencies, I recommend you to subscribe to our channel and our social media so you can keep up with all the news and developments in the crypto world. Subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and follow us on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Telegram. You have all the links in the description so you can get more valuable and useful information. Remember that we post exclusive reels on Instagram where we answer your questions in live. So you will find all of these links in the description so you can learn more. I hope that it was worth the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!